Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys, how can we unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Poco phone. Friends you have paired guys any Bluetooth device, friends you have paired any Bluetooth earphone neckband the same earphone guys you have guys, and guys you want to unpair to your Poco phone. So how can you unpair guys? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So then we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting and scroll it friends, you can see this type of settings. So friends click on your phone Bluetooth setting. Friends we want to unpair this earphones. So how to unpair it? Let's say tap here. Friends you can see unpair option, you can unpair from here, and friends you can see use for calls. As you want to off you can off, and guys you can on from here if you want. Guys media audio you want to off and you can off and on from here. Hence you can see unpair option guys, tap here, then it will unpair guys, you cannot use. If you use or you will have to pair again this notification, then guys you can use your Bluetooth earphone, otherwise not guys. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth earphones. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.